Hi all, this is Sibrata Basroor. A very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers watching this video as well as to uh, every other viewer here. Mainly ये video इसलिए बनाया गया है for everyone to understand that even teachers go through a lot in life. They go through challenges, struggles along with their achievements, courage. They have a life outside as well, outside the school, outside the students, outside the colleagues. So they also have a family life, they also have friends, they also have support system. Some of them also need that support system. You need to understand that every human being goes through some or the other struggles, and teachers too go through them. They are also human beings. So here are some tips for all the teachers for their better mental health. First and foremost, the teachers hearing me or hearing this video need to understand that you are a human being first. So how much ever love, how much ever care, how much ever passion you have towards your student, towards the school, you also have a personal life. So learn to bifurcate the time for that personal life. Second point is that understand you also require a support system. Understand that you need to practice self-care as well. Kindness तो आप में कूट-कूट के भरी होती ही है, पर सबसे पहले आपको खुद के साथ वो kindness निभानी है. इसलिए जितना भी हो सके खुद के साथ kindness ज़रूर निभाएं. Third point is that please learn slowly by slowly ही सही, पर do learn to set up boundaries. Do understand that if you keep on bottling up your anger, your frustration, then it is going to harm your health first and then the others around you. So taking good care of yourself literally needs to be your top priority. Fourth point is, and I know it is very easy for me to say, or it is very easy for anyone to think all these things, but do try and avoid to get extra work back home. जो भी temptation आपको होता है ना कि अरे कोई गल नहीं यार, अरे कोई बात नहीं यार, हम लोग घर पे जाके कर सकते हैं, उस वैसे वाले काम को आप अवॉइड करने की पूरी कोशिश करें. बिकॉज अगेन देन देयर विल बी नो बाउंड्रीज. यू विल कीप ऑन just doing work, there will be no self time or me time, and then it will explode on your health as well. Fifth point is learn to forgive yourself, and at the same time also do understand that you need some me time, some self time, जहाँ पे आप अपने हॉबीज़ को, जो मे बी बहुत साल पहले आपकी कोई हॉबी रही होगी, वो जो आपने साइड में रख के अपने करियर पे ध्यान देने के लिए, फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन्स यू आर गोइंग थ्रू, एनी स्ट्रगल्स और फॉर योर गोल और एनीथिंग, do take out some time for that hobby. If you don't have a past hobby, try to learn, try to explore any new hobbies, and do take out that time for yourself and keep it exclusively for yourself, so that इससे क्या होगा is you can automatically give time later on to others as well. Last but not the least, do understand in case of students to not have that favoritism, to not be biased towards them, and of course उनको मारना या yell करना तो already rule है ही, you are not supposed to do it, but just do not take out one emotion किसी और चीज़ में और किसी और emotion को किसी और चीज़ में. Try and take out that me time, because once you concentrate on your mental health, it will automatically help you to be the true person, to be the genuine person you always have been. It helps in a better way. You can always visit a therapist also for your own counseling, for your own therapy. Thank you so very much for watching this video. a very happy teacher.